because the campaign rigorously to ensure we cut across the nook and cranny of my social district. And everything they need is already with us, and we will implement them in accordance with how it comes. So I want to assure my people that I will not disappoint them, and that all the necessary things that are available in the Senate seat, I've made it available for them accordingly.
Okay, sir, you are coming just 2 years to go, and you are succeeding a sitting governor while he was in the Senate. Is that not a huge challenge?
It depends what you mean by huge challenge. For me, it's not a huge challenge because it is what it is. Because it happened that we're happy that my governor today is our governor and is working, and his grace of being a perfect governor is also going to see me through by 2027. So I don't see any challenge, I don't see anything that I'm worried about, because I'm quite sure. And the way I attend to my people, the way I attend to them right now, these few years I'm here, I'm going to be there, will also determine what they feel about me. I'm quite sure I will do my best so that they can know that, yes, if I'm given the opportunity to go with my full tenure, I will do more. Thank you. Thank you.